Have you ever felt your team is working but not achieving? Many struggle with aligning objectives. This results in disconnection and missed goals. Introducing OKRs, Objectives and Key Results, the powerful framework that aligns your company vision with daily operations. OKRs bring clarity and unity across teams, solving the common problem of misguided efforts. Here's why OKRs matter. First, they create clear objectives that guide everyone. Second, measurable key results ensure accountability across all levels. Third, they foster collaboration, uniting departments toward shared success. What sets Target Align apart? Our OKR software simplifies alignment and enables effective tracking. With 360-degree visibility, you'll stay on top of goals and progress. Organizations using OKRs grow revenue 58% faster and become 72% more profitable. Now let's break down the OKR hierarchy. At the company level, OKRs define strategic priorities set by leadership, like expanding market presence. Department-level OKRs translate those goals into specific tasks for HR or sales. Team-level OKRs promote collaboration across departments to achieve shared objectives. Individual OKRs empower employees to set personal goals aligned with overarching business aims. Target Align's software streamlines this hierarchy. With our scorecard view, you can track real-time progress, ensuring everyone stays aligned. Implementing OKRs might seem daunting, but with expert coaching and quarterly reviews, you'll always be on track. A strong OKR hierarchy creates a unified vision. With clear goals, you build a culture focused on success. Simplify your OKR experience with Target Align. Ready to transform your organization's goal-setting approach? Check out upcoming OKR courses and Target Align's OKR app at www.targetalign.com today. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.